Gonna snap a chalk line. Nice clothes. We got a box now. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Life on the Farm. We're going to get started with putting up more of the yurts. We're going to snap a chalk line to make it easier so we don't have to measure up for each one. Nice clothes. He does not match today, but that's okay. Up every 2 feet?
Our girt boards to go every 2 foot.
Every 2 foot?
Yes. So we got one down here, and then we're gonna start going up. Our bottom boards are treated. We got to get our treated boards still. Yeah, just start tying all the posts together today for a little bit. Got a couple hours before we got to be at end of the summer.
End of the summer party.
End of the summer party. So
at Tara Nail's house. We've been doing it for the last 3 years.
Yep.
So we'll bring you along on a different video for that. It's going to get really hot today, so we're going to try and get as much done as we can before it gets super hot. It's already pretty humid out here, so not sure how much we'll get done today, but we'll bring you along.
Yep.
All the guineas moseyed over to pick through the dirt. They're all taken off because we came over. The babies are getting so big. Okay, we got a box now for all of our tools, so we don't have to keep bringing them back and forth from the garage. And it rained last night, so this job is going to be a muddy mess. Oh, we forgot a pencil. We're waiting on a pencil. Mama just went to go grab one.
What are you doing? No.
I'm like holding it so you can free nail it.
Alright, so now it's gonna be center. So
That top line was over more on your side if you want it centered.
well, it's just gotta be cool.
We're not taking it all the way to the end.
Up.
How come-
Center of this board. Yeah, there you go. Can't nail it.
We should have brought the level as well, just to be sure.
No, it doesn't need to be.
As long as it's centered.
Yep. Okay. You're asking me a question
Yeah, how come you didn't start from that?
because I need to offset my seam boards. So this is a full 16 foot, so it reaches 2 spans.
Yeah.
So now I offset from here to here, and I put the short board there.
Oh, okay.
Same with this one
Yep.
up here. I'll do the same thing here. Okay, and then the next one up, I'll start at the end.
Oh, yep. You'll
And
start
go over.
there. Yeah. For strength.
You put the seam all together on the same one, it
Weaken
more
it.
tendency to twist.
Yeah. Drink water.
here, killer. Hold up, wait there.
Just marking where our boards are going to be on each end so we can run a chalk line right now. everybody. I am going to let the chickens out in the silkies and all that good stuff to get my chores done for the morning. Then I'm going to take you over to the barn just to show you how much actually got done. I'm sorry, my battery died yet again. So I will take you over there and let you see everything that was done. Good morning. You doing good in there? The babies are getting big. They need water. So I'm gonna shut you off a minute and get them water. So I was coming over here to get the water to fill up in the coop. This was actually flipped over like this. And I just happened to look down and I see feathers. I'm like, what the heck? So I turn it over and there was a rooster under it all night long. We've got one more strapping to go on top, or as Bob says, yoke, to make it 12 feet high. And then the one that goes around the very bottom. But we still need to get that because it's got to be treated lumber. And that is what got completed yesterday before we left for Tara and Ales for their end of summer cookout. That's it for today. Everybody have a great day today, and thank you for joining us at Life on the Farm.